ओम ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुपरंपराय नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। So today we will learn another Shanti mantra first, and then Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 1, from sloka number 16th we will learn. So if you have Mantra Pushpam, please open this book or any other book of which is having this mantra. जो ऐसे किताब लीजिए जिसमें वो मंत्र है। मैं भद्रम करने भी शृणुयाम देवाः, ये मंत्र सिखाऊंगा आज। और you just listen and chant with me, but muting your phone. Page number 4, Mantra Pushpam, page number 4. Or just listen to and chant with me. ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः। So again, ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। Here कर्णेभिः, after bhi there is visarga, but after that shrunuyama is there sha. So visarga's pronunciation will be transformed into shakara. भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः। भद्रं पश्ये, please chant. Bhadram pasye, you have to give stress on pa. Bhadram pasye maksha, maksha, maksha bhirya jatraha, bhirya jatraha. ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्ष भद्रं पश्येमाक्ष once more भद्रं पश्येमाक्ष भीर्यजत्राः भीर्यजत्राः so together ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः. You see, after rangai, on rangai there are two lines. It is dirgha swarita. So there the pitch will be little higher and it will stay that higher pitch little bit. Sthirairangai e stushtuva sthirairangai e stuštuvagum swastanubhihi. Actually, sthirairangai hi tuštuvagum. Okay. So as we are following Krishna Yajurveda, as our Chinmay mission follows Krishna Yajurveda, there if you see, actually bang in Krishna Yajurveda they put ga instead of anuswara and anushwara, and the ga pronunciation is gum. In other school, Vedic school, they chant in different way. We will learn Krishna Yajurvediya Shakha. So, Sthirairangai estuštuvagum Sthirairangai estuštuvagum. Then Sastanuvihi 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 Sastanuvihi. Sorry, ta will be little lower. So Sthirairangai estuštuvagum sastanuvihi sastanuvihi. Once again, Sthirairangai estuštuvagum sastanuvihi. Then Vyashema Vyashema Devahitai yadayuhu Vyashemat devahitai yadayuhu Vyashemat devahitai yadayuhu Swastina Indro Vridhasravaha Swastina Indro. See, Swastina in why na is very short? Because Swastina Indro Swastina Indro Vridhasravaha Vridhasravaha. Please chant after me, please. Then only you can learn. Swastina Indro Vridhasravaha. Then Swastina Pusha. There is Naha and Pu. So before pa, pakara, there is visarga. So pakara will be transformed into fa. Swastina Pusha. Swastina पूषा विश्ववेदाः विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो. The pronunciation is swasti nastarkshyo. So swasti nastarka, then kshyo, shyo. So swasti nastarkshyo arishtanemihi arishtanemihi. स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु बृहस्पतिर्दधातु बृहस्पतिर्दधातु. It's a very important mantra. In any puja, Vishnu puja, Lakshmi puja, Shiva puja, in Sankalpa mantra we need a Sankalpa or a resolve, and that is the resolve mantra in any puja, any worship, any Vedic worship. That mantra is uttered. So when your priest will utter, at least you can utter this mantra in a proper way. So once again, Om Bhadram Karneभिः शृणुयाम देवाः. Om Bhadram Karneभिः शृणुयाम देवाः. भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः. भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः. Once again, भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः. स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुं स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुं सस्तनूभिः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुं सस्तनूभिः. Once again, स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुं सस्तनूभिः यशेमध्येवहितं यदायुः यशेमध्येवहितं यदायुः यशेमध्येवहितं. Why? Devahitam is actual word, but after Anuswara there is Ya. So Anuswara is taking its own sound. So what is that? It is Vyasemaddevahitai. Vyasemaddevahitai. Yadayuhu. Yadayuhu. Vyasemaddevahitai. Yadayuhu. Swasti na indro वृद्धस्रवाः. स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धस्रवाः. स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः. स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ओम शांति 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 ओम शांति 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 Shantish, because after Visarga there is Shakara. So Visarga is taking Shakara, not Santihi, Santihi, Santihi. Or Santi, Santi, Santi. It is not. Om Shantish, Shantish, Shantihi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So we will chant together twice. Please chant with me now. Om Bhadram Karnebhih Shrunuyama Devaha Bhadram Pashyemakshabhirya Jatraha स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुं स्वस्तनूभिः व्यशेमद्देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ओम शांति 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 once again ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुं स्वस्तनूभिः व्यशेमद्देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम. Is it clear to you? So the thing is, I think it is clear to you that why we are chanting in that manner, and when we are giving stress in vowels, short vowels and long vowels, you have to memorize only these things: how to chant short vowel, how to chant long vowel, how to chant Visarga if the Visarga is in between. This is only the learning in Vedic chanting, and the meaning of the intonation, the lines on the top of the word or the line in the below of the word. So the thing is, do you have any questions? So you can ask me or you can write me. I'm giving you 30 seconds.
Sir, if the line is below the word, then it will become like Shantish. You said Sa.
There is no question of Visarga's pronunciation with the lines.
Okay.
The line has a different matrix, different theory.
Okay, sir.
We speak in a same pitch. That is our normal pitch. The pitch you are talking to me.
Okay, sir.
If there is the line below any letter, we have to pitch down.
Acha.
And Visarga will be Shakara or Phakara or Sakara or Shakara. It depends upon what letter is after Visarga.
Acha, sir.
Here after Visarga, Shanti means Sha is there. So Visarga's pronunciation will be like Shakara. There is no thing related to that line, because if whenever we will learn Purnamadav, there the line is, here your line is saying below Santi, Ti. In Purnamadam mantra, there is line below Shakara. There the Santi will be Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Here we are learning Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So line means you have to pitch down or pitch up.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Usha Amma, you wanted to say something else. Please tell. Okay, I have to unmute you. Wait. Yes, Amma, please.
Third line, sir. Third line.
Third line. Okay.
Yes.
Sthirai Rangaihi. Okay. The word is Angaihi. Angaha is Akaranta Punglinga, like Rama Shabda. If you know a little bit of Sanskrit, then you can know that Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, Narena, Narabhyam, Naraihi. So third case, plural, if it happens, then Aihi, I and Visarga. Here also the same thing. But then Pushtu Bhagam. After Visarga, there was Ta. So there is one sutra, Stoshtu Nastu. Stoshtu Nastu. In Panini Sutra, Stoshtu Nastu. In that theory, Visarga is transformed into Sakara, Saraswati Sakara, Dantasa. So that is why Sthirai Rangai Stushtu. Sthirai Rangai Stushtu. It was okay. But our Vedic rishis, sages, they saw the mantra with intonation. There they saw the double line above this letter. And what is the theory I taught you? If there is double line, the higher pitch will be little bit longer. Like, Bhadram Karne Bhi. It is single pitch and single pitching up. But here, Sthirai Rangai E, because of the two lines. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Any other question regarding this? Anyone else? Okay. So we can proceed further. We will learn Gita now, chapter 1, sloka number 16. I thought that I could revise, but time is very short, I feel always guilty that the class is for half an hour, and I am so fortunate that I have got so patient students who eagerly listen for an hour. So I won't take your valuable time. I will try to finish up as early as possible. So first we will do revision of last class, means 11 to 15. So today there is no time because it is 11:30 now. So please chant with me. Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः. We will chant from sloka number 11. अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि तस्य संजनयन् हर्षम् कुरु वृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खं दध्मौ प्रतापवान् ततः शङ्खश्च भैर्यश्च प्रणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तु मूलोऽभवत् ततः श्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः पाञ्चजन्यं ऋषिकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खम् भीमकर्मावृकोदरः. Then verse number 16. अनन्तविजयं राजा अनन्तविजयं राजा अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च. Here Visarga is there and after that Sahadev is there. So Visarga will be transformed into Sa. Nakulas Sahadevascha. Nakulas Sahadevascha. Sughoṣamani pushpakau. Sughoṣamani pushpakau. Okay, so chant together. Anantavijayam Raja Kuntiputro Yudhishthiraha Nakulas Sahadevascha Sughoṣamani pushpakau. Once more. Anantavijayam Raja Kuntiputro Yudhishthiraha Nakulas Sahadevascha Sughoṣamani pushpakau. Sloka or verse 17. Kashyascha Parameshwasyah Parameshwasah Kashyascha Parameshwasyah Parameshwasah Parameshwasah Kashyascha Parameshwasah Shikhandi cha Maharathaha. Shikhandi E is there. शिखंडी च महारथः धृष्टद्युम्नो. See, dyumno, the plus ya, conjunct consonant. So the will be twicely uttered. Dhrishtadyumno. Dhrishtadyumno. You can write another the over there. Then you can remember the theory. Dhrishtadyumno viratascha. सात्यकिश्चापराजितः. सात्यकिश्चापराजितः. So together. काश्यस्य परमेश्वासः शिखंडी च महारथः धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्चापराजितः. सात्यकिश्चापराजितः. श्लोका नंबर 18. द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च. द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च. द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते. सर्वशः पृथिवीपते. So here you have to see that sarvasah and then pakara is there, so fa will come. Write down fa over there. Sarvasah prithivipate saubhadrascha mahabahuhu. After who, please put visarga. Saubhadrascha mahabahuhu. Shankhan dadmu prithak prithak. After dadmu there is visarga and there is prithak pa. So instead of visarga there will be phakara. Please note down it. Shankhan dadmu prithak prithak. See, in one prithak I am telling completely prithak. Halanta is there. But in last word also prithak is there, but I am telling prithakka. Because I taught you in last class that if the last word is halanta word, then the quarter a will be pronounced with halanta. But not in between. Prithak, prithakka. Okay. So together, please. Drupado Draupade Ascha Sarvashah Prithivipate Saubhadrascha Mahabahuhu Shankhan Dadmuh Prithak Prithak. Once again. Drupado Draupade Ascha Sarvashah Prithivipate Saubhadrascha Mahabahuhu Shankhan Dadmuh Prithak Prithak. Saghosho Dharto Rashranam. Sloka number 19. Saghosho Dharto Rashranam. Saghosho Dharto Rashtranam Hridayani Bhyadarayat. Here, Vya, Va and Ya, Vyadarayan, Rayat. So, Vya is conjunct consonant and before that, short vowel is there, Ni, I. So, va will be repeated twice. Note it down, please. Hridayani vyadarayat navascha prithivim chaiva navascha prithivim chaiva tumulo vyanunadayan together. Saghoshodharto rashtranam hridayani vyadarayat navascha prithivim chaiva tumulo vyanunadayan. Once again. Saghoshodharto rashtranam hridayani vyadarayat navascha prithivim chaiva tumulo vyanunadayan. Now you can ask me the question. Here also vyanu. Vya is also conjunct consonant, but you did not tell us to repeat the va. Think about the theory I taught. If before conjunct consonant there is short vowel, but here tumulo, o is long vowel. That is why va is not repeated. Clear? Once more. Saghoshodhartarashtraणam hridayani vyadarayat navascha prithivim chaiva tumulo vyanunadayan.
Sir,
Yes.
I have two questions.
Can you write down the question? I will finish 20, then I will take your questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Sloka number 20. Atha vyavasthita. Here also vya is there in after atha. Here vya will be, ba will be, va will be repeated because a is short vowel. Atha, a. Okay. And in fourth quarter, like Dhartrashtan Kapidhvajaha Pravritte Shastra Sampate Dhanurud. Ru is short vowel u. Then dya is there, so da will be twicely repeated. Okay? Come. Athavyavasthitan drishtva. Athavyavasthitan drishtva. Dhartarashtran kapidhvajaha. Dhartarashtran kapidhvajaha. Pravritte shastra sampate. Pravritte shastra sampate. Dhanuruddamya pandavaha. Dhanurudyamya pandavaha. Together. Athavyavasthitan drishtva. Dhartarashtran kapidhvajaha. Pravritte shastra sampate. Dhanurudyamya pandavaha. Once more. Athavyavasthitan drishtva. Dhartarashtran kapidhvajaha. Pravritte shastra sampate. Dhanurudyamya pandavaha. So together from sloka number 16, please. Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthiraha Nakula Sahadevascha Sughoṣamani Pushpakau Kashyascha Parameshwasaha Shikhandi cha Maharathaha Dhrishtadyumno Viratascha Satyakischa Parajitaha Drupado Draupadeyascha Sarvasah Prithivipate Saubhadrascha Mahabahu Shankhan Dadmuf Prithak Prithaka Saghosho Dhartarashtranam Hridayani Bhyadarayata Navascha Prithivim Chaiva Tumulo Vyanunadayan Athavyavasthitan Drishtva Dhartarashtran Kapitvajaha Prabhritte Shastra Sampate Dhanurudyamya Pandavaha. Yes. Tell me, what is your question? Please unmute yourself and ask me.
Sir,
Yes.
in Hari Om, in shloka number 19, the shloka is ending with half na. So we won't say nadayana.
It's Nadayana. If I did not utter in that way, it was my mistake. And I'm sorry for that. And thank you for notifying this.
Thank you, sir.
Let us know.
Second, you had two questions.
The second one was, while we were doing it initially, you were saying, sir, Ghosho Dharto Rashtranam. So I was just wondering whether it will be Dharta Rashtranam or Dharto. So,
Bharta. See, I am a Bengali spoken person. So instinctual problem is there in Sakara and Akara and Okara. Though I remain very conscious in while I chant, yet you know, मातृभाषा है जो डिफेक्टिव है अकार ओकार आप लोग जानते हैं बंगाल में रहते हुए what the problems are in the Bengali language. So sometimes it happens. Please bear with me.
yes.
One more question, sir. In
Yes.
shloka number 18, you
Yes.
are saying Sobhadrasya Mahabahuhu.
Yes.
You have two times we are pronouncing
Yes.
two times.
Yes. I told you that if Visarga is the ending word, here in this quarter, Visarga is the ending letter.
Yeah.
Okay. Then Visarga's pronunciation will be ha.
Okay. Yes, sir.
But how the ha will be pronounced? According to the preceding vowel. If it was there bahi, then I could utter bahihi.
He. Okay.
If it is ha, bahaha. Clear?
Yes,
if it is
sir.
a, bahehe.
Okay.
Here ukara is there. Ukara is preceding visarga. So bahuhu.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Is anyone is having any other question? Thank you. So again, we will meet at the same time on Monday. There will be spoken Sanskrit, and our class is as usual Tuesday and Friday. art of Sanskrit chanting, and every day from 9 o'clock. See, our morning class used to begin at 7 o'clock in the morning when physical class. You know, people used to come from far Alipur and Bagha Jotin at 7 o'clock in the winter also. But I consider all the devotees that now lockdown situation is there, people are little bit relaxing, so they will get up little late. So 9 o'clock I'm keeping. Please try to attend that class also. Try. At least you try. And another thing, if you can't try, you please try to listen to the YouTube, because in this manner you will never find Vedanta teachings. Please don't misunderstand me that I am glorifying myself. I don't teach. My acharyas teach through me. Those parampara teaching you will never find anywhere else. You can find day and night in YouTube. Please attend this class. Chinmaya Mission is Vedanta-based organization. You will enjoy. While we are suffering a lot of problem in the present situation, Corona vaccine is not the solution. Vedanta is the solution. Please go to Divakar Chaitanya YouTube channel and please listen to Vedanta class. This is not my class. This is not my knowledge. This is the traditional knowledge coming through Bhagavan Shiva. Thousand years. The same thing. So please try to attend. It's my request, or go through the YouTube channel and share it with your friends and other.
But sir, this class will happen at this time only, no?
Yes,
This
of course, 11 o'clock.
Tuesday and Friday, you said. Thank you, sir.
And you should chant with me.
Yes, sir. We do.
As it is not a physical class, if I allow everyone else, then the class will be a mess. But you chant with me, otherwise you can't learn.
I do, sir. I do chant.
Yes, it is request to everyone else. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
सर
Yes.
सर 9 बजे का क्लास कब है आपका? कहाँ पर है?
सोमवार से शुक्रवार तक. अम्मा.
9 o'clock, but where?
In Zoom.
Okay.
I sent the link in Kolkata Chinmaya Mission, Kolkata Chat, Sadgurave, Chinmaya Sadgurave in 3 common group. Then our Kolkata's another 2 groups are there, 3 groups, morning class, Vedic chanting class.
So, but I'm not in that group.
So you, who are you speaking? Amma, can you tell me your name?
Sandhya.
Oh, Sandhya Amma, are you associated with anyone else who are associated with the group? I think. Who is your mentor over there?
I'm only associated with YMI.
From where you get this link? Because
YMI.
So in YMI, you please ask to send the another link, because I send both the link, 9 o'clock link and this link together.
Okay.
So tell them to spread that 2 links.
Okay.
From Monday to Friday, 2 links are shared.
Okay, I'll ask them.
Yes, of course, from 9 o'clock Vedanta class, please ask them to send you both the links.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
chanting is only on Tuesday and Friday?
Yes, art of Sanskrit chanting, and Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday is spoken Sanskrit and basics of Sanskrit grammar, to facilitate this chanting in a more better way. I have planned in that way that you will learn Sanskrit, you will learn how to speak in Sanskrit, you will learn how to chant correctly all the scripts, Gita and Upanishads.
Okay.
In that way, I have thought, now it's your decision.
Yes,
And don't discontinue. We are enjoying this class, sir. Keep
Very
continue this.
Thank
Hariom.
So shlok chanting is Friday, Guruji?
See, Tuesday and Friday. Firstly, I thought one day I will take Upanishad mantra, one day I will take Gita. But Amma, you know, the thing is, everyone is not equipped with the Upanishad mantra book. So if I take only one day, only Upanishad mantra, then people will be deprived. They will feel bored. So that is why I am keeping both the session, Gita and Upanishad, in one class for your benefit, as everyone can participate and enjoy.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hari
Thank
Om.
you. Hari Om, sir. Hari Om, sir. Hari Om, sir.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.